Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. This is a continuation of our previous video. In this video, previously we have seen what is maximum and minimum of functions of two variable and what is the procedure to find out the maximum and minimum points and what is the maximum and minimum and the condition and what is the saddle point and what is the stationary point and how to find out the stationary points also. So if you haven't seen those videos still, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. Then only you will receive notifications. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Okay. Without seeing that video, you cannot get a clear idea because this is a continuation of our previous video. Previously, we have discussed all this. Then we will solve some more problems on stationary points and maximum and minimum value. So stationary points of x cube plus y cube minus 3xy are. So what is the function? Given function is function of x comma y, x cube plus y cube minus 3xy. We need to find out the stationary points for this value. How to find out the stationary point? We need to find out the dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. Then equating that to 0, we can find out the stationary point. First, we need to find out the dou f by dou x, which means that partially differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So, 3x square minus 3y. Then dou f by dou y. 3y square minus 3x. So, equating this equal to 0. So, 3x squared equal to 3y. Then x squared equal to y. Then 3y squared equal to 3x. Y squared equal to x. So, x squared equal to y and y squared equal to x. This is the two equations. By solving this equation, we can find out the answer. Okay. So, x squared equal to y, right? 3x squared equation, this equation, right? X squared equal to y, which means that what is the y value? Y is nothing but, see, y squared equal to x. Then y, what is y? Y equal to square root of x from this. Just by substituting this value in this equation 1. So, y equal to square root of x. So, y equal to square root of x. X squared equal to y. So, x squared equal to square root of x. Then, by squaring on both sides, what we will get? X power 4 equal to x. Nothing but x power 4 minus x equal to 0. Then, take x as common. X cube minus 1 equal to 0. Then what we will get? X equal to 0 and x equal to 1. X equal to 0 comma 1. So by substituting this value in two equations, we can find out the y value in any of the equations. So if x equal to 0, what is y value? Y value also 0. Then if substitute x equal to 1, 1 squared equal to 1, then y equal to 1. So, x equal to, this is the stationary points. Stationary points is nothing but x and y 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. So, this is the stationary points, which means that 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Option 1 is the right option for this problem. Okay, we will solve some few problems in this type. Then the function, what is given? The function x cube plus y cube minus 63x plus y plus 12xy. The point also given, stationary point minus 7 comma minus 7 gives, we need to find out at this point it is maximum or minimum or saddle point or none. Okay, we'll see. Function f of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube minus 63 into x plus y plus 12xy. Okay. The points also given. Given points are minus 7 comma minus 1. Minus 7 comma minus 7. So this is the given points. Okay. Then what we need to do? we need to find out the value rt minus s squared, then find out the maximum or minimum. So first we need to differentiate with respect to y. Dou f by dou x, what we will get? 3x squared minus 63 plus 12y. Then dou f by dou y equal to 3y squared minus 63 into x plus y, 63 plus 12x. Then dou squared f by dou x squared equal to 6x, and dou squared f by dou y squared equal to 6y. All are functions of, this is constant, this is also function of x, so we will get 6y alone. Then we need to find out the dou squared f by dou x into dou y, which means that, see, dou by dou x of dou f dou y means differentiate with respect to x. So with respect to x we will get 12. Okay, so 6x, 6y, 12, and also points, stationary points also given, minus 7, minus 7. We can find out this is r, this is t, this is s, right? Then substitute r at the given point, minus 7, minus 7, 6x equal to, this is x and y. 6 into minus 7, what we will get? Minus 42. R value is minus 42. Then we need to find out the S value. R equal to minus 42. I am writing here. Then what is S at this point? Minus 7, minus 7. S is nothing but 12. It is a constant, so S equal to 12 alone. There is no X and Y term, so S will be simply 12. Then what is T? This term 6y. T at this point, minus 7, 7, 6 into y. So 6 into minus 7. In place of y, substitute minus 7, minus 42. So t equal to minus 42. So we know that r, t, s. How to find out the maximum or minimum? So what is the condition? R t minus s squared. So r into t, minus into minus, 42 squared, or 42 into 42 minus s squared. S squared is 12 squared, 12 into 12. Okay. So what is the, by simplification, what is the value for, by simplifying, this will be normally greater than 0 alone. Okay. By simplifying, this is the greater value. By subtracting this interval, we will get only positive value. So some positive value. Positive value means greater than 0 only. So rt minus s square greater than 0. Then what is the r value? R equal to minus 42. So minus 42 obviously less than 0. So how can we conclude rt minus s square greater than 0 and r less than 0? Which means that the given point minus 7, 7. Right? This given point is a stationary point, minus 7, minus 7. What is the condition? If rt greater than 0, rt minus s squared, and r less than 0, at this point gives maximum. So this gives maximum. So for this question, what is the function? It gives maximum. Okay, this point gives maximum. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. Stationary points for the given function. We need to find out the stationary point. So I'm just writing the function of x comma y, x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 12. X squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 12. So we need to find out the dou f by dou x. How to find out the station, guys? I'm again and again saying, without understanding the previous video, you cannot follow this. Please check those video. What is stationary point and what is minimum and maximum, what is saddle, all that we should know before itself. Okay. Then dou f by dou x, find out dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y to find out stationary points and equate to 0. We will get one point. That point will give the stationary points. Okay. Then dou f by dou x is nothing but 2x plus 6. Then dou f by dou y equal to 2y alone, right? Dou f by dou y, 2y alone. Then what is the, to find out the stationary point dou f by dou x equal to 0, which is 2x plus 6 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3. So this is one point. Then dou f by dou y is nothing but 2y. 2y equal to 0. Then y equal to 0. What is the points? Therefore, the stationary point is this minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0. Option 3 is the right option for this problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. What is given? Then sin x at pi by 3 comma pi by 3, the function z of x comma y equal to sin x sin y sin of x plus y 0 less than x and y less than pi has minimum, maximum, saddle, none. We need to find stationary points or points also given. At this point, whether this function gives maximum or minimum, we need to find out. First, write the equation z of x comma y sin x sin y sin of x plus y. Then what we need to find out, dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y, and all that we can find out. Then rt minus s squared and r value, whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. According to that, we can find out whether it gives maximum or minimum at that point. Okay, we'll see. Z of x comma y equal to sin x sin y sin of x plus y. So first, what is the first term? Dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x. To find out dou z by dou x, what we need to do? So I am just rearranging. This is function of sin y. So taking sin y outside. Okay. This is all in multiplication. So sin y outside. So this is u and this is v. They say uv. The differentiation of uv is nothing but du v du plus u dv. So keep u as constant first. Then sin of x comma x plus y is nothing but cos of x plus y, plus keep this as constant, sin of x plus y into cos x. Right? This is dou z by dou x. Then we need to find out the dou z by dou y. So this is P, this is Q. Dou z by dou y, what is that? Sin x should be in the outside, na? This is constant, like. Then sin y and sin of these two terms. So sin y and cos of x plus y. Plus keep this as constant, sin of x plus y into this term cos y. Right? This is dou z by dou y. Then what we need to do? Sin of. So by simplification, what can we do? Sin of x plus y, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Like it is like sin a cos b. This is a and this is b, like. Then this is b and this is a. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin of a plus b. So how can we simplify? Dou z by dou x equal to sin y into sin term of a plus b. What is a? X plus y. X plus y is nothing but 2x plus y. Okay. Here also dou z by dou y, also see that equation. Sin x, write sin x as it is. See, this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is a b and b a. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Same thing, sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b, what is that? X plus y plus x plus y. So x plus 2y. Here 2x plus y, here x plus 2y. This is the simplified form of dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Then we need to find out the dou squared z by dou x squared equal to, again we need to differentiate with respect to x. For that, what we will get? Sin a is nothing but this is constant. keep as it is. From this sine function we will get cos of that function, then 2x. 2x by differentiating 2x we will get 2. So 2 sine y cos of 2x plus y. Then dou squared is z by dou y square. Then what we will get, this term sin x, let it be, it is a function of x, so then cos of this function x plus 2y into 2y again differentiate, so 2 into this. So dou squared is z by dou x squared also we can find out. Then what we need to find out, dou squared is z by dou x dou y. So dou z dou y, this term again differentiating with respect to x. So this is the form of uv. So uv sin x and cos of x plus 2y plus sin of uv, right? We are just differentiating with respect to x. So keep u as constant and differentiate this cos of x plus 2y, then sin v into du cos x, right? Sin x into cos of x plus 2y plus, see this is also a b b a, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b, this term x plus 2y, so sin of 2x plus 2y. This is dou squared is z by dou x dou y. Okay, so points also given. What the point? The given point, stationary point at pi by 3 comma pi by 3. This is the given point, pi by 3 comma pi by 3. So this one is r t, this is s. Okay, r t s. So we need to find out the r t minus s squared at this point. Okay, so one by one we can find out r value at this point. R at this pi by 3 comma pi by 3, what we will get, this is xy. In place of x and y just substitute. What is the r value actually? 2 sin y. So 2 sin pi by 3, right? 2 sin pi by 3 into cos of 2 into pi by 3 plus pi by 3. So 2 sin pi by 3, this thing, okay? By substituting what we will get, this is sin 60 na. Sin 60 value what we will get, 2 into, by simplifying pi by 3 is nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Again we need to solve this. 2 into pi by 3, what is that? 2 by 360, 120. 120 plus, this is 120 plus 60 degree. 120 plus 60 degree, we can write it as 180 minus 120 plus 60 degree, nothing but what? 180 degree. Cos 180, what is the value? Minus 1. So this and this will cancel. What is the value? R value is minus root 3. Then we need to find out the t value. T value at this point, pi by 3 comma pi by, what is t? See, 2 sin pi by 3. Here I am writing 2 sin pi by 3 into cos of this value na, cos of pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. Here they the same term, pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, what is getting by resolving? Cos 180 degree alone. So cos 180 degree, what we will get? Minus cos of 180 degree. So this is cos 60 degree. So 2 into sin 60. So pi by 3 is nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 180 minus 1. So again t value also minus root 3. So t value also minus root 3. And using some other paper for space consumption, let's what we need to find out again. We can find out the r value and t value. Then we need to find out the s value. What is s? I will write here at pi by 3 comma pi by 3. This point. S value. What is S actually? Sine of 2x plus 2y. This term, sine of 2x plus 2y, S value. And at pi by 3 comma pi by 3, yes, at pi by 3 comma pi by 3, just substituting sine 2 into pi by 3, what we will get? The same thing. See, sine 120, right? 120 degree plus 2 into 20, 120 degree. This is 240 degree. Sine of 240 degree, how can we write? Sine of 180 plus 60 degree, na? So by using the trigonometric form of 180 plus 60 degree, it is come under 090, this term 090 degree. We know that basic all silver teacups. Okay, this quadrant formula 180 plus 90 degree, this will come under third quadrant. So sine of this minus sine of 60 degree, right? Minus this will come under third quadrant. So this is a basic trigonometric function. Okay, so sine of minus sine 60 minus sine 60 value is minus root 3 by 2. So S value is minus root 3 by 2. So R and T value is minus root 3 and minus root 3. So RT minus S squared we need to find out. RT minus S squared is nothing but R into T. Minus root 3 into minus root 3 plus 3 minus S squared. Minus of, when we taking square, what we will get? 3 by 4, right? 3 minus 3 by 4. 3 minus 3 by 4, we can get it as 12, taking LCM 9 by 4. So it is obviously greater than 0. It is a positive value. Then we need to find out the R. R is nothing but minus root 3, na? This is obviously less than 0, negative value. So RT minus S squared greater than 0 and R less than 0. So at point, this point, the given pi by 3 comma pi by 3 gives what value? Maximum value, gives maximum value. So what is the answer for this problem? The given problem, maximum is the right answer for this given problem. Okay, we will move on to the next one. Sorry. Then the next question is, for the function 2 into x squared minus y squared minus x power 4 plus y power 4, the point 0 comma 0, the point also given. We need to find out whether this point gives maximum or minimum or some other. Okay, so what is the, just write down the question. F of x comma y equal to 2 into x squared minus y squared minus x power 4 plus y power 4. Okay, so this is the given function, right? So we need to find out the dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y, the given point also given. So we need to find out whether it is maximum or minimum or saddle point. Okay, first we need to differentiate with respect to x. Partially differentiate with respect to 2x squared, we will get 4x minus this term, 4x minus 4x cube. Okay, then dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y we need to find out partially with differentiating with respect to y. So minus 4y plus 4x cube. Okay, then we need to find out the dou squared f by dou x squared. So 4 minus 12x squared, right? 4 minus 12x squared. Then what we can get? This one, this is 4y cube, really sorry, this is 4y cube. Then dou squared f by dou y squared. This one, minus 4 plus 12y squared. Okay, then dou squared f by dou x dou y, which means that differentiate this respect to x. So no term with respect to x, so obviously the differentiation is 0 alone, okay, 0 only. Then what is the given point? The point is given as, this is the point 0 comma 0. At that point we need to see whether the given function gives maximum or minimum or saddle point, okay. From this given point, so dou squared f by dou x squared is nothing but r equal to dou squared f by dou x squared at 0 comma 0. So at 0 comma 0 obviously we will get 0 alone. Then t value dou squared f by dou y squared at point 0 comma 0, this one, substitute 0 comma 0 in place of x and y, we will get 0 only. So not 0, really sorry, 0, this is plus 4, right, again t, sorry, minus 4, this is a constant now, by substituting x and y only 0, so minus 4. Then what is s? Dou squared f by dou x dou y at 0 comma 0. What is dou squared f by dou x dou y? Already 0, so it is 0. So we need to find out the RT minus s squared. RT, sorry, minus s squared equal to 4 into 4 minus 16 minus s squared equal to minus 0. So minus 16 only, this is less than 0. So RT minus s squared less than 0. Then R value, what is R value? Equal to 4. So R value equal to 4, no need to find out. If it is RT minus s squared will be less than 0, so the given point is saddle point, neither maximum or nor minimum. The given point is, because RT minus x squared is less than 0 means the given point is saddle point, which means that neither maximum nor minimum. If RT minus s squared greater than 0 and R greater than 0, the given point is minimum. If RT minus s squared greater than 0 and R less than 0, the given point is maximum. If RT minus s squared less than 0, the given point is saddle point. So for this problem, option 3, saddle point, is the right option for this, okay. Then we need to find out the one of the extreme value of u of x comma y given, okay. We need to find out the extreme value. What is extreme value? I'll say first we need to write down the u of x comma y, x power 4 y power 4 minus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square, okay. Then extreme value is nothing but maximum or minimum value is known as extreme value. Extreme value is nothing but maximum or minimum value. We need to find out the one of the extreme values, nothing but extreme points. Extreme points, or how to find out the maximum or minimum points, is nothing but stationary points. Just differentiate dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y equating 0, we can find out the x and y points. So first dou u by dou x, 4x cube minus 4x, right, plus 4y. Then dou u by dou y, so 4y cube plus 4x minus 4y, right, 4y cube, this term 4x minus 4y. So to find out the extreme point, dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y equal to 0, extreme point or stationary point, okay. By equating 0, this is all multiplication of 4. So division by 4 by simplifying, x cube minus x plus y equal to 0, okay. Again this term x cube minus x plus y equal to 0. Then for this, what is the equation? Y cube plus x minus y equal to 0. Y cube plus x minus y equal to 0. So what we will get? Adding 1 plus 2, adding these two equation, we will get x cube plus y cube equal to 0, or x equal to minus y, or y equal to minus x. Sorry, y equal to minus x, x equal to minus y, or y equal to minus x. This is the value. From this substitute in that equation, we can find out the x value. Instead of y, substitute minus x here, we can find out the point and find out the y points also, or we can find from this option. So x and y should be minus, x should be minus of y. From this option, see, this is the wrong option, I think, minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so from this option, see, x should be minus root 2 and y is, because x equal to minus y. So x is, if x equal to, from this option we can find out. Don't waste your time by solving these by substituting x equal to minus y here, and then find out the y points, and from this y point we need to find out the x point. This will drag our time in case of doing exams. Okay, so avoiding to save our time, I am just cross checking with the options. Okay, x should be x equal to minus y. So x equal to minus 2 na, then what is y? Plus root 2. So check this rest of the condition, x and y value is totally different. Okay, so this option. So what is the extreme point? Extreme point only asking na. Extreme point is nothing but minus root 2 comma plus root 2. Option 1 is the right option. Then we need to find out the minimum value of the given function. What is the given function? F of x comma y, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. This is the given function. We need to find out the dou f by dou x, 2x plus 6, then dou f by dou y, 2y, then dou squared f by dou x squared. We need to find out the R, S, T. From that we can find out the minimum points. So minimum value, from that minimum, we need to find out first stationary points, stationary point or extreme point. From this stationary point we need to substitute in that RT minus S squared, whether it is minimum or maximum. It gives minimums means from substitute that points in that equation, in that function, that given function, we can find out the minimum value. Okay, then dou squared f by dou y squared is nothing but 2. Then dou squared f by dou y squared, sorry, this is dou x squared, also 2. Then what is the next one? This is R, this is T. What is S? Dou squared f by dou x, dou y. Differentiate with respect to x, nothing. So differentiation is 0. So extreme points, as I said already, stationary points or extreme points are same. Dou f by dou x equal to 0 and dou f by dou y equal to 0. So x equal to 2x, by solving what will get? X equal to minus 3, right? Then y equal to 0. So what is the stationary points? Minus 3 comma 0. This is the stationary point. Just substitute, this is x comma y. Substitute in this equation R, T and S squared. Okay, R at t comma 0, minus S at minus 3 comma 0 and T at minus 3 comma 0. See, all are constant value. So if it is any function of x and y, we can substitute minus 3 comma 0 in that value. See, all are constant only. So we will get the same value R, S and T. At this point also we will get the same value. This one R, T and else. What is the value of R? 2, T also 2 and S also 0. Okay. Then we need to find out the maximum or minimum, whether at this point the function gives maximum or minimum value. We will check. So RT minus S squared is nothing but 4 minus 0. 0 only na, so 0. So it is greater than 0. Then what is R value? R value equal to 2. 2 is also greater than 0. So RT minus S square greater than 0 and R equal to greater than 0 means, which means this point gives minimum. So minus 3 comma 0 gives minimum. What we need to find out? The minimum value of this function. So substitute f of x comma y. What is f of x comma y? Just copying the given problem, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2 at minus 3 comma 0, which means that substitute x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 0, we can find out the minimum value. Minus 3 the whole square 9, y equal to 0, so this term won't come. 6 into minus 3 minus 9 plus 12, we will get 6 into minus 3, okay, 6 into minus 3 18. Minus 18, okay, we will get around 3, right? 12 plus, okay, 21 minus 18, 3. So this is the minimum value. So minimum value is nothing but 3. Option 2, 3 is the right option. Okay, this is the method to solve the problem. Then we'll move on to the final problem. This is the final problem in this method. Okay, find the points on z squared equal to xi plus 1, xy plus 1, which is nearest to the origin. We have to find the points x, y, z such that the distance from the origin should be minimum. Distance from the origin, so from the minimum, we have to find out the minimum of this. Origin means A, B, C. With respect to distance A, B, C, x and y is nothing but x minus A the whole square plus y minus B the whole square plus z minus C the whole square. From the origin means A, B, C equal to 0 to find out the minimum distance, okay, to the origin, which is nearest to the origin means we can take it as A, B, C as 0. So what we will get? X minus A the whole square 0, 0, 0. Substitute A, B, C instead of 0. Substitute A, B, C as 0 in this equation, x square plus y square plus z square. So it is a function of x, y, z. So function of x, y, z equal to, what is that, x square plus y square plus z square. From this question, see, z square is given as xy plus 1. So substitute x square plus y square plus xy plus 1. So this is the function of x, y, z. I am writing very clear. See this one. From this, what we need to find out? To find out the minimum. From the distance, we need to find out the minimum points. Okay, dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y equal to 0. We can find out the points that should be minimum or maximum. We need to check the condition. Okay. This is the function. So dou f by dou x equal to 2x plus y, right? Then dou f by dou y equal to 2y plus x. So to find out the points, stationary points, dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y equal to 0. So 2x equal to minus y. For the 2x equal to minus y and 2x plus y. So we can solve this equation to find 2x plus y equal to 0 and 2y plus x equal to 0. To find out, by solving these two equations, we can get the points as, so multiply, this is 1, we will solve and find out the x and y points. So 2x plus, multiply this into 2, equation 1 by 2. So 4x plus 2y equal to 0. Then x plus 2y, I am just interchanging, x plus 2y equal to 0. Then 1 minus 2, what we will get? 3x. So this and this, 3x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So substitute x equal to 0 in that equation. What we will get? X equal to 0, this term want to come again. What is y value? Equal to 0. So the what is the point? Point is nothing but 0 comma 0 is a stationary point. stationary points is 0, 0. Then what we need to find out? The dou squared RT minus S squared na, dou squared F by dou X squared, R equal to dou squared F by dou X squared. Again differentiating this equation 2 at which point? 0, 0. So there is no x and y, we will get at 0, 0 also the same term only, the same value, R equal to 2. Then what is t? Dou squared F by dou Y squared. Then 2 equating at this point, which point? 0, 0 also, t equal to 2. Then S equal to dou squared F by dou X dou Y. Dou F by dou Y, again differentiating with respect to X, we will get 1 only, at this point also 1. So what is R value? 2, t equal to 2 and S equal to 1. Then find out RT minus S squared to find out minimum or maximum value at this point. RT minus S squared is nothing but 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So RT minus S squared greater than 0. Then what is R value? R value equal to 2, also greater than RT minus S squared and R greater than 0, which gives minimum, right? Gives minimum at 0, 0. This point now, this stationary points gives minimum value. Then what we need to find out? We need to find out the now Z squared. From this question we need to find out that we know 2 points, x and y points. X and y are 0, 0, right? It is a function of x, y, z. We need to find out the third point. How to find out the third point? We know that z squared equal to xi plus 1. See, now z squared equal to xi plus 1 at which one? Substitute 0, 0. Okay, x and y we will get at 0, 0. X and y value substitute 0, 0. We will get z squared equal to 1, and what is z equal to plus or minus 1. So what is the point? Obviously 0, already x and y point is 0, 0 plus 1, 0, 0 minus 1. See, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1. So this is the points. Okay, 0, 0 plus 1, 0, 0 minus 1. Option 1 is the right option. We will end up the session up to this. Okay, please subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. Kindly watch previous part of this video. Okay, thanks for watching.